Hey guys, how are you all? Welcome back to my channel and welcome back to Celebrity Inspired Jewelry Making Series. Today we are gonna make the necklace set inspired by none other than the Deepika Padukone. She is a global icon and everyone's favorite. And when I was thinking about making a jewelry, I just came across this photo of her on Pinterest. So I thought let's give it a try. So this necklace set has turned out to be very beautiful and I really have taken lots of efforts to make this design alive and shoot this video for you all. So I hope that you will also enjoy the tutorial till the end. If you like my this video, do give the thumbs up. And if you are new here on my channel, I request you to subscribe to my channel and also press the bell notification so that we can meet on a regular basis to make such amazing jewelry making tutorials like this in the future. And now, without wasting time, let's get started. So to make this set, we need lots of pearls. We need in a small size like 3 mm, 5 mm and um 7 mm. So let's do that. So I have taken first 5 mm and 7 mm pearls and we will add them in the gear bead. So gear wire, sorry. So I have taken this gear wire and I'm not going to cut this first. So but rather we will add this pearls first. So I have added. So let's add around 10 to 12 pearls of 5 mm, and then we will add some 7 mm pearls, then few again 2 3 like uh, 5 mm pearls, and then likewise we will make this combination. So you can see the photo guys and you can decide how do you want to do it. So I feel that let's do in the combination. So I have done this and do it accordingly. And guys, if you have suggestions for any other celebrity, for whom we should make the jewelry, we just let me know in the comment below, or you can share the picture on Instagram. So I have finished weaving the beads and now we will attach it to the 3-hole connector with the help of lock bead. So I have added the lock bead and then add this wire in this 3-hole connector and then gently just lock it like this. And in the same way guys, now I'll cut the gear wire and I'll attach to the other side also. So guys, if you are enjoying my techniques till now on this channel, please do subscribe to my channel. I really need your support to grow on this channel. So I have attached to the both the sides guys, and this is how it looks, and in the same way I'll make the two more lines like this. So this is how gorgeous and elegant it looks. Now the other one. So for this we'll take this 28 gauge wire and we will attach it to the 5-hole connector, and then again we will add this bead. So how we will add the combination of 3 mm and 5 mm beads over here, and I will add 2 3 7 mm beads also. So I'm adding this in some sequence that you can see on the in the picture later on. And after 2 3 pearls we will make a knot over here of this wire, and then again we will remove the wire in from the knot. As you can see, you just have to make kind of hole over here to make to show the space. So again we'll add this 7 mm pearl bead and we'll make a, you can see, a round structure, a knot. So you just have to wrap the wire and then just bring it out like this. So this is how it is. And then after now we will add this oxidized chain. So I have taken this chain of 15 loops and then we will attach it to the wire, and to the next side also we will do the same design of the pearls. So I have made this, and again we will add this to the 5-hole connector, and this is how it is. So you just have to think that how to do this, and then it will be a little easy for you. So in the same way we'll attach all the others. So this is how it fancy it looks, and this is so um good for the western outfit. As you can see, Deepika Padukone has also worn on the same. So yeah, and now at the end we will add these necklace dori. If you don't want necklace dori, you can also add the jump rings and earring, a shape hook or lobster hook. So I have added the necklace dori to both the sides, and in the same way, guys, I have attached the necklace dori to other stuff also. So that's it. So this is how it will be. It will be of two necklaces, and our necklace is ready. And isn't it so stunning? So do let me know how did you like my this idea of making this necklace at in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching my video till the end. See you soon.